A 2-minute walk from Goodge Street Tube Station, this Aparthotel has free Wi-Fi, free laundry facilities and a self-service breakfast. Oxford Street shops are 0.8 kilometers away. The clean and modern Aparthotel has a shared bathroom and living area. The accommodations provide self-service breakfast for the morning. The domestic kitchen is open all day for guests, allowing you to cook your own meals at any time of the day. The kitchen is stocked milk, juice, eggs, bread, bacon and cheese during the breakfast time. The property is located in Fitzrovia, about 450 meters from University College London, UCL. King's Cross and St Pancras international train stations are a 20-minute walk away. The bars of Soho and restaurants of Chinatown are just 10 minutes walk from Central London Concept Aparthotel. Westminster Borough is a great choice for travellers interested in shopping, parks and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.